As time passes by, the need to attain financial freedom increases. From morning till night, we sweat off ourselves to earn a living. But many times, we just wish we had that little extra side hustle so that the next time when we pass by the Rolex store down the Lakeside Mall, we could just get into and buy that golden watch we have been window shopping for years. Well, there are a lot of unexplored gold mines where strategic investment could actually put that Rolex watch on our wrist in a very little time. Talking of this, the very fast market that expands into this horizon is the stock market investment. So, our Jimmy, an automobile business owner from New Ireland, finally decided to keep his doubts aside and risk the stock investments. Let's see what happens next.
Hello, lovely people. What you see on the screen is the title, The Catalyst Parcel. And that is exactly why you are here. But before we get into depth about this, let us just rewind the video a little bit. So what Jimmy had was the knowledge of the market, the trends, the financial reports, etc. What he wanted to achieve was his goal of earning increased profits on the stock investments. So, what he needed to connect this information, data, and facts to his desirable outcomes is a small catalyst parcel. Look at the screen. Do you see something similar? Well, this is exactly what we entrepreneurs are facing as a problem today. You might be wondering how, right? Looking at the broader perspective, we have all the resources, the data, the information that is needed in order to achieve our goals or the outcomes that we have already visualized. But there is something missing that is actually not connecting the dots between this information and our outcomes. As a result of which, we are not getting that desirable amount of growth and development. For easier understanding, let us take a look at some real business scenarios in this context and the catalyst parcel for them. So let's say our goal is to maintain and grow our digital presence. What we have access to is our digital media platforms, some knowledge of evolving digital trends, and a consumer base. But the problem that you are facing is money management. You cannot understand what is the ratio of investment for different digital platforms in order to get the maximum ROI. So what you need over here is real-life insights from those who have had similar experiences and their reactions specifically in this focus area. And you could use those insights as your references. You need an expert for that. And needless to say, your benefit from this will be an exponential increase in ROI. Your catalyst parcel definitely therefore needs an expert. Now, let's move on to another scenario. Say, once we have invested in the proper proportion for increasing the digital visibility, now we have an increased consumer base. So now our new goal is consumer retention. What we have access to is the marketing trends that we had used for the consumer acquisition in the first place and ideas about providing consumer satisfaction to some extent. But The problem again is the changing consumer behavior and their buying patterns, which is making it difficult for us to use those old marketing techniques. We use, different communication trends, conduct surveys, take data, try to analyze, but still somehow these strategies are not sustainable anymore. The catalyst over here could be a one-to-one conversation with an expert who learns about your organization in depth and the individuality of your operations, as well as the type of products and services. Now, he combines this knowledge with his professional experiences to suggest certain customized branding techniques to you. So your brand visibility increases as an aftermath. Again, the catalyst parcel over here is an expert consultation, as you can see. Now, moving on to the third scenario. Now, let's say your new goal is time management. But why? Because you have access to so many tasks at hand that you are finding it a problem to balance your personal and professional life. Well, what could be the catalyst to solving this issue? You can refer to a trainer who will give you a general training about time management that will help you go ahead in your professional journey, as well as improvise it in your personal life as well. So basically, the training set can be, applied all over your life and help you grow or develop as an individual and improve your managerial skills. Now, as a result, very well you know that after that, you will be able to maintain a proper balance between your personal and professional life. And this will help you concentrate more into your business because you'll be having a very happy personal life. So over here, as you can see, that our catalyst is undoubtedly trainings from experts. Now, let me ask you a question. You have got the idea about what the catalyst box should consider. It should have the experts, the consultation with experts, the trainings from the experts, and so on. But then do you think that you can achieve your goal right now? I think you are in a bit of confusion. Well, but you had an extensive network where undoubtedly there were experts in every domain. Therefore, you had access to the catalyst parcel already. Then, why are you still here where you were exactly last? Just think. Okay, this is because when you open your parcel many times, it might not be exactly what you want. What I mean is, well, to refer to insights, you cannot just depend on a single person's experience. You need to refer to multiple specialists in similar contexts. Obviously, every person's reaction and strategy to solve will give you multiple references from which you can combine the best to suit your own relative business type. What is the problem here is that just imagine how much amount of time investment and confusion that means. Next, unless your expert has exact ideas about your business in depth, he cannot suggest you the best alternative strategy in order to make your business grow. The issue over here is that the most of the consultants give you just broad overview or solutions without getting in-depth understanding of how your organization actually is performing. This means that the solution that they provide to you may or may not work for you. Lastly, you will not only need to learn time management for your career development, but many other skills that you need to polish might be negotiation and bargaining. It might be learning or polishing your leadership skills and all that. But then you need to understand that given the network that you had, who is the best in your network as an expert? Who will give you the feedback that that person is the best or not? From whom will you get the reviews? And so on. Now, I think you have an idea as to why exactly your network did not work. But then you might be right. Big worry. You might be like, then what would I do? Look, we have a 60-40 rule. The 60% is that you already have the dedication, the ambition, the perseverance, and the patience that is needed in order to achieve a particular target. The rest 40% is something that you will learn. Well, I'll not, spoil the surprise for you. You just keep on watching the video.